Now that we've built the model of supply and demand, I'm going to start talking about some comparative statics. What happens if demand shifts or supply shifts? So we're going to start with demand. And here we have a graph where we will just show the impact of an increase in demand and one where we will show a decrease in demand. Then we'll talk about factors that could cause shifts in demand. It's really important to understand the difference between demand and quantity demanded. The quantity demanded refers to one specific quantity or one point along the demand curve, but demand refers to the entire line. So a change in the price, say a decrease in price, results in a change in the quantity demanded as we move along the demand equation, along the demand curve. But a change in price does not shift the line. An increase in demand refers to a shift in the entire demand curve. So an increase in demand would look something like this. The whole line now moves out. In other words, at any given price, the quantity demanded will increase. The result is a new equilibrium point, the intersection between our new demand curve and our supply curve. And you'll notice that the new equilibrium point has a higher quantity and also a higher price. So an increase in demand will result in an increase in the equilibrium price and an increase in the equilibrium quantity. Likewise, a decrease in demand will result in a decrease in the equilibrium price and quantity. When we say that demand decreases, we mean that at any given price, the quantity demanded is now lower. The result is a new equilibrium point where our new demand curve intersects supply. As you can see, that new equilibrium point occurs at a lower price and a lower quantity. So now that we understand what it looks like for demand to shift, we'll investigate some of the causes.